It's Meg with Only at Arts, and tonight's topic is tripods. When choosing a tripod, there are so many different options to choose from. You've got different sizes, different styles, and even different heads. So tonight I'm going to make that decision a little bit easier for you with Arts Cameras Plus tips in a minute. So the first thing you want to ask yourself is, what am I taking pictures of? Photos where you need an interesting perspective might require a taller tripod, like the ProMaster Specialist series, which can go up to like 7 feet. Most tripods are going to be a little closer to the 5-foot range, but choosing the height is really important because you can always make a tripod shorter, but you can never add height to a tripod. So once you've decided the height of your tripod, the next question is, how heavy do you want your tripod to be? Chances are, if you're doing a lot of traveling, you don't really want to be carrying around a super heavy tripod. But there are some options out there for you if you still need that height, like a carbon fiber tripod is going to be a lot lighter weight than an aluminum. The next decision you have to make when choosing a tripod is the locking mechanisms. Do you want a twist lock or a snap lock? And that's totally personal preference. So now that you have those decisions made, it's time to choose your head. And there are so many different heads to choose from. You've got ball heads, pan heads, gear heads, and gimbal heads. The ball head is going to be one of the most popular choices because of its versatility. It's small, lightweight, and pretty easy to use for almost any shot. Next up is your pan head, which is going to also be called a fluid head, which is great for video, landscape, and panoramic photos. The gear head is going to be great for precision and accuracy, people shooting macro and studio work. And last up is the gimbal head, which is ideal for all of those long-range lenses. Most people are going to be shooting sports, action, wildlife, and astrophotography. The possibilities are endless when it comes to photography, and choosing the right tripod for you can enable you to create new and exciting photos. So make sure to drop by our Waukesha or Greenfield location to check out our tripod jungle. And you can also message us on Facebook if you have any questions about getting the right tripod for you. Until next time, I'm Meg, and this is Only at Arts.